This is murder mystery. I will separate them in groups. Tell me in the comments who will survive. I will say the murderer when I'm done. The murderers are gonna be these two. And this green is the detective. This is the sheriff. And the others are just normal people. And the final role is gonna be this is gonna be engineer. So I'll be back in a moment. So let me introduce you to the rooms. This is where all of them will meet. And this is where the cameras. This is the security, the medical room, and this is the storage. It's just for storage. And this thing is the entire world, though. Just to this thing. This is how big we are.
Hindi ka makakalapit. Biglang may dinosaur na darating.
Papawag! And this is how small it is. So it's literally so big. Okay, the video begins. It will start now. The murderer goes to another room, and this is the murderer's friend is gonna be escaped. The murderer's friend go here, hid here. And the murderer hid his weapon and go to the camera, to the security. And the sheriff's group go to the medical room. And the detective group goes to here. And the engineer group goes to wander around the earth. This is them. This is their base. When yellow go to the here, he killed that. And the spy teleports to him and hides the body. Look, hiding it behind there. And he said to spell murderer. A lot of them is in the storage, so they went to go to storage, but there is the detective, so we gotta go here. Everybody started going here. They have now a meeting. Where is Yellow? He died. Who's the murderer? I bought magpapayos.
Walang budang isusunod na niya ang eskwela ng buhay niyo. Kapatid, kailangang mahuli siya ng mga immortal na loka.
Oh, they forgot somebody. And they literally kicked Blue out of space. Blue was not the murderer. They end up throwing Blue out. And they go there. While they are going there, Red immediately go there and kill them. Look. And they are there. And they hit those body. When they said on boat. Oh, actually, this group go to wander around. When they saw that, they quickly called a meeting. They said, "Red sauce!" "No, I'm not." And they actually bought out Red. Red was a fellow murderer.